Shaun Simpson, and we're here at Hawkstone Park for the International... No, let's start again. Hi, I'm Shaun Simpson. We're here at the 2020 Hawkstone Park International. So this year's quite a different vibe for me. I'm not only riding my bike, training, you know, and doing everything else that a GP star should be doing. I'm also managing my own team as well. So yeah, definitely been keeping myself busy, looking after my wife, my little boy, trying to be a family man. Also speaking to sponsors and trying to make everything happen in that respect as well. So definitely spinning a few plates at the moment, but really enjoying it. I like feeling busy, I like keeping busy, having some drive to get up in the morning and just get on with everything I've got to do. Taking care of my training, but also making sure that we're ready to go racing at the weekend. So just massive thanks to everyone that's come on board this year, KTM and all my other partners, personal sponsors, for coming on and just making this all happen. This, you know, we wouldn't be here racing if it wasn't for them. So, you know, massive hats off to them, and hopefully I can do them proud off and on track. And yeah, we're here this weekend, first race of the year. We're just ready to go racing. Wasn't as bad as I expected. Track's pretty hard, pretty long and deep lines, but overall I enjoyed it. I think we were P2, I think Harling's was fastest, so we'll take that. I thought they'd cancel it now, that traffic is great. Right, I better go and get cleaned up. That's a good idea. And they got their bike half washed for them. Well done, guys. Thank you very much. Whew. Well, the plan was get out at the start. We did that. I was third. A couple of the guys got a bit leery going at the first corner and just crashed out, and I just snuck right up the inside and was into the lead from lap 1. So yeah, start to finish lead and managed to win the race. So very happy with that. If we can crack on all year like that, we'll not be doing too badly. As dodgy as that looks, that's all from my goggles. Didn't want to do any littering, so I thought I'd just stuff it down there before the start. Believe it or not, this green bag is older than me. My dad used to take it to the racing, and now I've got it. All the dirty washing from the day, every weekend. That's where it goes, and then that's Rachel's job, unfortunately, on a Monday morning.
Great stuff. Thank you, gentlemen.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. You enjoyed the race?
Yeah. Bit muddy.
Apparently we've only got Jeffrey Hurling so far, so if we could ask for Shaun Simpson and Glenn Coldenhoff to put in an appearance. Oh, I think Shaun's here.
I made it.
Oh, you made it, there you are.
I've taken an on and down there.
Actually, I haven't got the overall order of it.
This year.
What happened in the first one? Crash on the first lap?
Like I
That's
didn't even
brilliant.
just.
We hope you have, and of course you'll be on a gas
like 7 seconds. So I was
massively
like,
based. You must be excited by that.
gate drop. The gate dropp's quick, man. Like 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
I looked over to the side and I looked back and then it went through, but luckily I was
And I
on
was
it.
all the way out, so I had to pull the trigger like to get a whole shot. But second one I had a good whole shot, but yeah, I was dead last, and then someone just slid out and hit my front wheel second turn. Wow.
I've got to ask you about even worse weather than this last September. An early celebration, a Scottish flag flying back there for Shaun Simpson, ladies and gentlemen, second overall, first race winner. Well done, young man. Listen, let's have a quick word. So you're running your own team. That was a huge responsibility to take on, because the whole logistics of the thing is now on your doorstep.
I must be mad.
You must be.
No, to be honest, we're smiling. You know, everything's went well. KTM and all my personal sponsors have just backed me. Everyone's getting as motivated about this as I am. I'm 31 years old, but I certainly still got the speed. I've got the desire to do it, and we're really just getting out there and getting stuck in.
Gentlemen, is your MX1 top 3. Glenn Coldenhoff will be mounted on a gas when he gets to Matley Base, and Shaun Simpson on the SS24